easy. Even as thou walkest in the truth, verse number 4. I have no greater joy than to hear that my children walk in truth. As a leader, and as a young people, as a leader, spiritually speaking to you as an overseer, our desire and our happiness is you and I will walk together with the truth. Labi na sa mga bulan niya na sa ilang Sister Jessica, sa ilang Sister Diane, sa ilang Sister Michelle, sa ilang Sister Hannah, manlarga na mga sila, di ba ilagayan na mga sila. Hindi ka makagawa, sila bago. But I am praying na, basta mularga na ka, I am praying na, bilang at lugaw, you bring the good testimony. And you bring the word of truth. I am praying na, bisan asa manggaling kita na lugar, every Christian